So let's just make a bunch of shapes. All right, we'll just make a variety of different kinds of shapes. Okay. So now you can take these various shapes, and once you have them selected, again, I'm using my selection tool. You can either hit Command A to select them all, or you can click and drag over your items to select them. Okay, now you'll see all your aligning tools up here at the top. Okay, so let's walk through these. So these will align them all flush left, Command Z to undo. We're going to stack them center or right. We can line them across the top. We can align them in the middle or along the bottom. So these are for multiple groups if you want to align them, or some of the others. So let me show you what those look like. Let's make some fence pickets together. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here. Now with the pen tool, you can see we actually have this anchor point tool. You can click in the middle, adding another anchor point. Then I can take my direct select and I can drag it up. So it looks like a fence picket. Okay, let me zoom back out. All right, so I can either highlight this, Command C for copy, Command V for paste, or I can just grab a bunch of these and I can randomly stick them anywhere I want them to go, right? Okay, so we have a whole bunch of these things. So I can select them all, and if I select this top one, it just distributes them in their own groups to make sure that they're even. What I like best though is that you can justify them all on their left side, or you can justify them all on the right side. Since they're all the same size and width, it doesn't really matter. Or you can evenly distribute them this way. And then you can take them and align them across the top. So how this works is, let's just say I squeeze them all together, but this one's way over here and these are all bunched up here. Let's just bunch a bunch of them up and overlap even some of them. Okay, so they're all randomly put here. If I select them all and then select evenly distribute from center, voila. So it doesn't matter if we put them all tightly together or if we spread them way out apart. Let me grab these and reduce them so I can even make them further out apart. If I select them all, it will distribute between the far right and the far left. It'll do the same thing if I put them all in here and then I say distribute them all much closer together. I'm just crunching them all up here. And then say distribute. So now you can see they're all kind of overlapping each other, right? But it still works the same way. Now it distributes them between that point and this point. So that's how you use your align tool.